Hello students, let's read and learn. Listen carefully and repeat. Read and learn counting in words 11 to 20. Read 1111 ELEVEN 11 1 to 12 TWELVE 12 1 3 13 THIRTEEN 13 1 4 14 FOURTEEN 14 1 5 15 FIFTEEN 15 1 6 16 SIXTEEN 16 1 7 17 SEVENTEEN 17 1 8 18 EIGHTEEN 18 1 9 19 NINTEEN 19 2 0 20 TWENTY 20. Happy learning!